So I ran into another issue with the embroidery machine. I'm going to try to see if I can solve it. What I attempted to do was tie off with a square knot some existing thread to an older thing of thread. However, when I pulled out the little tube that was up here, it looked like there was a piece of paper stuck in the tube. So I went ahead and got some canned air and I sprayed it, and the piece of thread actually flew out of the other end. So in hopes of getting it wired back through the tube, there was actually a piece of string like this right here. Or I guess it's not string, it's a piece of plastic, like a plastic tubing or something like that. There's a slit on one end of this tubing right here. So what I'm going to do with that, you guys may not be able to see this part, but I'm grabbing our thread and I'm just going to pinch it right in the slit of our tubing right here. Just as much as I can focus it in, but there it is. So now that I have this, I'm going to attempt to feed it reverse back through the hole of our machine right here. So it came out of number 16. Let's put it back up through the tube of number 16. Seems like it's gonna work for us. And perfect, guys, it worked. This came out from the top, and I can go ahead and pull this all the way back through. So I fed it through the tube of number 16. I'll go ahead and pull this all the way through. Put that little string thing through the hole and fed it through, and it came out of the top here, right back out of number 16. So if you guys ever lose your string, instead of having to go through every single step and, you know, putting it through every single hole, if you guys just want to reverse, as long as it's still, you know, hanging on at the top, go ahead and grab your tool. This came in the operator's kit, and you can go ahead and do a reverse feed in your machine.